Hi and welcome to Braids by CJ Beauty. Today I'll be showing you how I made this bun. Alright, so this since I'll be using a band, kinky extension, hairbrush and a pair of scissors. Okay, so we'll be sectioning the kinky into small parts. I'll be tying it on the hairband. Tie tightly 2 or 3 times. So we'll be repeating this. You section, you tie, you section, you tie, section, you tie until your desired size you want. You want it big, you want it small, you want it anyhow you want it. So it depends on the amount of kinky you tied on the band. So for the hairstyle I'll be doing, I don't want the bun to be too much or too big, because it's school hair, so we don't want something that is so obvious. I want it to look natural, like it's her hair. So when you're done tying it to your desired size, we brush it, then we start trimming it. You trim the upside, you trim it, you keep trimming it until it's round and fluffy. Trim until round and fluffy. Alright, if today is your first time watching with us, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. Okay, thank you for everyone that is supporting us in our social media platforms. Alright, so this is basically it. It's so simple. If you have anything here at home that you're not using, so instead of you going to buy bun at in the market, you just make one at home yourself. It is basically simple. There's nothing too complicated in it. So this is it. This is how it look like. Yes, my own is small. That is the side I want. So thank you for watching. Bye.